A. A is for ant. 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 Look, friends, a tiny little ant is walking on the leaf. Ant. Ants are super hard workers, and they carry food together. They live in a big ant family called a colony. Can you wiggle your fingers like little ants? Wiggle, wiggle. Let's say it together. Ant. B. B is for bear. 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 Look, friends, a big fluffy bear is walking in the forest. Bear. Bears love to eat honey, and they can climb trees. They sleep for a long time in winter called hibernation. Can you pretend to be a big bear? Growl, growl. Let's say it together. Bear. C. C is for cat. 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 Look, friends, a cute little cat is playing with yarn. Cat. Cats say meow and love to chase things. They like to sleep in cozy places all day long. Can you say meow like a cat? Meow, meow. Let's say it together. Cat. D. D is for dog. Dog, dog. Look, friends, a happy dog is wagging its tail. Dog. Dogs bark, woof, and love to play fetch. They are very loyal friends to humans. Can you bark like a dog? Woof, woof. Let's say it together. Dog. E. E is for elephant. 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 Look, friends, a huge elephant is walking slowly. Elephant. Elephants use their trunks to eat and drink. They have big ears and love water. Can you swing your arm like a trunk? Swing, swing. Let's say it together. Elephant. F. F is for frog. 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 Look, friends, a green frog is jumping near the pond. Frog. Frogs say croak and love water. They catch insects with their long tongues. Can you jump like a frog? Jump, jump. Let's say it together. Frog. G. G is for giraffe. 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 Look, friends, a tall giraffe is eating leaves. Giraffe. Giraffes have long necks. They eat from very tall trees. Can you stretch up like a giraffe? Stretch, stretch. Let's say it together. Giraffe. H. H is for horse. Horse, horse. Look, friends, a strong horse is running fast. Horse. Horses say neigh. They love to run in open fields. Can you run like a horse? Gallop, gallop. Let's say it together. Horse. I. I is for iguana. Iguana, iguana. Look, friends, a green iguana is sitting on a rock. Iguana. Iguanas love sunshine. They are calm and slow reptiles. Can you sit still like an iguana? Still, still. Let's say it together. Iguana. J. J is for jaguar. Jaguar, jaguar. Look, friends, a fast jaguar is walking in the jungle. Jaguar. Jaguars are very strong. They are great hunters. Can you move quietly like a jaguar? Tiptoe, tiptoe. Let's say it together. Jaguar. K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Look, friends, a kangaroo is hopping around. Kangaroo. Kangaroos carry babies in pouches. They jump very high and far. Can you hop like a kangaroo? Hop, hop. Let's say it together. Kangaroo. L. L is for lion. Lion, lion. Look, friends,
A big lion is roaring loudly. Lion. Lions are called kings of the jungle. They live in groups called prides. Can you roar like a lion? Roar, roar. Let's say it together. Lion. M. M is for monkey. Monkey, monkey. Look, friends, a playful monkey is swinging on trees. Monkey. Monkeys love bananas. They jump and play all day. Can you swing like a monkey? Swing, swing. Let's say it together. Monkey. N. N is for narwhal. Narwhal, narwhal. Look, friends, a narwhal is swimming in the ocean. Narwhal. It has a long horn. It lives in cold, icy waters. Can you swim like a narwhal? Swim, swim. Let's say it together. Narwhal. O. O is for owl. Owl, owl. Look, friends, an owl is sitting on a tree. Owl. Owls say hoot. They come out at night. Can you hoot like an owl? Hoot, hoot. Let's say it together. Owl. P. P is for panda. Panda, panda. Look, friends, a cute panda is eating bamboo. Panda. Pandas love to eat. They are black and white. Can you chew like a panda? Chew, chew. Let's say it together. Panda. Q. Q is for quail. Quail, quail. Look, friends, a small quail is walking on the ground. Quail. Quails are tiny birds. They run very fast. Can you run like a quail? Run, run. Let's say it together. Quail. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit. Look, friends, a rabbit is hopping in the grass. Rabbit. Rabbits have long ears. They love carrots. Can you hop like a rabbit? Hop, hop. Let's say it together. Rabbit. S. S is for snake. Snake, snake. Look, friends, a snake is slithering on the ground. Snake. Snakes have no legs. They move by slithering. Can you slither like a snake? Slither, slither. Let's say it together. Snake. T. T is for tiger. Tiger, tiger. Look, friends, a tiger is walking in the jungle. Tiger. Tigers have stripes. They are very strong. Can you growl like a tiger? Growl, growl. Let's say it together. Tiger. U is for urchin. Urchin, urchin. Look, friends, a sea urchin is under the water. Urchin. It has spiky points. It lives in the ocean. Can you curl like an urchin? Curl, curl. Let's say it together. Urchin. V is for vulture. Vulture, vulture. Look, friends, a vulture is flying high. Vulture. Vultures have big wings. They glide in the sky. Can you flap like a vulture? Flap, flap. Let's say it together. Vulture. W is for whale. Whale, whale. Look, friends, a huge whale is swimming. Whale. Whales splash water. They are the biggest animals. Can you splash like a whale? Splash, splash. Let's say it together. Whale. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Look, friends, a tiny fish is swimming. X-ray fish. You can see inside its body. It lives in water. Can you swim like a fish? Swim, swim. Let's say it together. X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Yak, yak. Look, friends, a yak is walking in the mountains. Yak. Yaks have long hair. They live in cold places. Can you walk like a yak? Walk, walk. Let's say it together. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra, zebra. Look, friends, a zebra is running in the field. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. They live in groups. Can you run like a zebra? Run, run. Let's say it together. Zebra.